Hi everyone, today I want to show you a very detailed video of how I make my trimmings. It's a very easy process and you only need at least 2 pieces of wood plus 1 if you want to get fancy. So for this one that I'm doing, I measured it at 1 centimeter and then the other one is 0.7. The next thing we're going to do is to sand one edge of the wood because we want to put a curve on that part. Once we get that curve, we're going to use a very fine sanding paper to smoothen out our wood. When I first started experimenting on this, I would glue the wood together first before shaping it, but I found it's harder, so I do this first before I glue them together. So once both your wood strips are sanded and shaped properly, so we're gonna glue the narrow wood on top of the wider wood, the curved side facing the same way. So you want to put enough glue on your smaller wood so that all of it will stick to the bigger one. And a lot of people ask me what kind of glue I use. So I use Aleene's Tacky Glue for pretty much everything that I make. So if you want to stop on this, that's totally fine. But if you want to get fancy, you can use another strip of wood like this one, and I'm using a balsa wood, and you can shape it on one side as well like the other two, and you can stick it on top of your 2-layer trimming. So you would want to let the glue set completely before you start sanding it again and making it into a nicer finish. So I must admit that this is nothing compared to a store-bought trimming, but this is a good hack to know, and if you do it right, it comes out pretty decent. So I hope you find this video useful, and if you do, you might want to give me a follow, and thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you in the next one.